Unit 5 Calculations Session 4. This is the last session of our 5th chapter, Calculations. We are going to finish this chapter today. At the end of this session, you will learn to beautify the mark sheet we have prepared. Alright? Okay. Here comes the border tool. Now in this session, we are going to learn how to beautify the prepared mark sheet. So the tool, one of the tools used to beautify the mark sheet is border tool. Now let's see how we can use this. So the first step is always select the typed part by clicking and dragging. Yes, so we have selected the typed part. Now what is the next step? Yes, click the arrow shown near the border tool on the font toolbox. So what will happen? Let's see. Yes, so we'll get a drop down like this. Okay, from that select all borders. Select all borders from the drop down. Alright, so what will happen? Let's see. Yes, here we can see the border has been appeared on our selected text. Okay, so we have learned how to use a border tool to give borders to our prepared mark sheet. Okay, now let's learn another tool to make our prepared mark sheet beautiful. What is that? Let's see. Yes, here comes the background color. Now let's see how we can use the tool to give a background color to our prepared mark sheet. So the first step is click the arrow shown near the fill color tool. The name of the tool is fill color tool. Okay, then you will get a drop down like this. From that, select the color of your choice. So let me select a yellow color. So what will happen? Yes, the selected color appears on the background. Since we have selected yellow color, the yellow color has appeared as our background. So we have learned two tools to make the prepared mark sheet beautiful. One is border tool and the other one is background color or fill color tool. Alright, so in this chapter we have learned what is a column, what is a row, what is a cell, cell address, then how to enter data, how to add a row and a column, and finally we have learned how to add marks, how to find the sum of marks of each student, right? Then last but not the least, we have also learned how to beautify the prepared mark sheet. All right. That's all for today's class, and this is the end of this chapter. Thank you. We'll see you in our next session. Take care. Bye-bye.